This is pretty much the VPN that we'll be looking at, and I'm pretty much show you how to use it like in Pro. Very simple VPN, so make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
This is the on screen of the VPN application. Very simple layout, nothing hard for you to not understand. So you can tap on the switch region option here to pretty much find all the servers available, and do make sure you tap on the refresh icon at the top here, top right inside the circle icon, pretty much refresh the server list. So do always do that before you're going to connect to any server so you can get the updated server list. So once it's finished doing that, you're pretty much good to go. You can either select the option where to select fastest server, it automatically select the best server for you, or if not, you want to just select a server for yourself, you can go ahead. So once you've selected the server for yourself, pretty much good to go. Down here you can enable the smart proxy or proxy filter, which pretty much allows you to select whichever application you don't want to get a VPN connection and which you do. Well, I'm not going to enable that feature. So once I've done set up everything, now I can just tap on the connection button here. Once I've selected that, we'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. VPN will be connected in no time. So very easy VPN application to use. You don't have a subscription and you don't have a lot of ads. It's just a simple, decent VPN. Speed is very good actually too. So test it out and let me know in the comment section what you thought of this VPN. If you have any problem, do let me know as well. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.